every single LLC, corporation, and nonprofit is required to have an official registered agent that is sometimes called a statutory agent or a resident agent or an agent of service of process in each state where the organization is doing business. For example, we're doing it for California. If you open a business in New York or in Texas or in Washington, DC, you need to have a registered agent in every single state. A registered agent literally serves as a permanent physical presence in the state, and the registered agent's address is where the state government can contact you with legal and tax correspondence that include franchise tax forms, notice of registrations, and required annual reports. So this is an individual that is crucial for you to have to ensure that they can respond back on time, they know who they reply back to, and they take care of all the correspondence for you in that particular state. Now, if this seems too overwhelming for you, you can always head over to a website which is called inkfile.com. This is the easiest way to set up and manage your business, and you can join over 800,000 businesses that have been launched with Inkfile since 2004. In 4 simple steps, you'll be able to start your new company, get the right structure for your company, and get help by managing the state compliances, and also get a registered agent as well. Now, all you need to do is head over here, click on Start My Business. You'll be taken to the next page over here where you will select what sort of business you want to create. It's going to be an LLC because that's the video we're doing. And then you're going to select the state it's going to be, and it's going to be the state of California. And as I scroll down, you'll see 3 packages: the platinum, the gold, and the silver. Now, the silver one, the state fee is $5, and the state fee is the same for all packages, but the actual package fee is different. The silver one has no fees. The gold is going to be $199, and the platinum is going to be $299. So the total is going to be $304 for the platinum and $204 for gold and $5 for the silver. But the major thing over here that you need to understand is the fact with the platinum, you get a lot of features, and this is my personal recommendation to every single young entrepreneur that is thinking about starting and developing and creating a limited liability company. You need to have the proper support, you need the proper assistance, and you got to make sure that you cover all tracks and make sure that there's no cracks that are left, and inkfile.com can help you and support you in that. By getting the platinum, you will get the business contract templates, the domain names, the business emails. You'll prepare and file the articles of organization. You get unlimited name searches, as well as the free registered agent service for a year, as well as your EIN business tax number, your IRS form 2553, your operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, as well as online access dashboards, and unlimited phone and email supports with business banking account and business tax consultation. And once you have this support level in your first year, you'll be able to see how easy things will get from there.